In this video, we'll see how a retrospective meeting is performed. Navigate to your Team O'Clock dashboard page and click the Retrospective Meeting button. Then choose the team you want to have a retrospective meeting with. Here, it is the Acme's team, and click Finish. All participants will be notified via email where they can follow a direct link to the retrospective. The retrospective meeting page has 3 major areas: the header, where you can see the current step of the meeting, a main area where participants will be adding their notes in different boards based on each board meeting, a footer where information and communication options for video call and chat are available. When all participants have joined, you can click the Start button on the top right side of the header to start the meeting. You then have the option to set a name for the retrospective and continue by clicking Start Meeting. The retrospective is now started and is in the Gather Notes step, where participants can add their notes on each board. To add a note, click on Add a Note link below the respecting board and start typing. Hit Enter when ready, or Escape to not add your note. When adding notes, you can see that other members are typing, but you cannot yet see their exact notes in order to remain unbiased. When a participant is done adding notes and is ready to proceed to the next retrospective step, you will see a chat notification message on the bottom right corner of the screen. When you are ready, click the I'm Done button to proceed. When all participants are done adding their notes, you proceed to the next step of the retrospective meeting, grooming your notes. In this step, all members read notes, make clarifications, edit or group similar notes. To group a note with another one, click and drag a note under another one. To edit a note, place your mouse over that note and click on the Edit link that appears. When you are done editing, simply press Enter. Clicking the I'm Done button, you will see who you are waiting for to proceed to the next step. In the next step, members are called to vote on the most important notes. You can cast a vote by clicking on the plus sign next to each note. For grouped notes, you cast a single vote on the parent note. To remove a vote, simply click again on the highlighted +1 sign. After everyone has voted, you proceed to the final step of the retrospective, where your team discusses on voting results and adds some action items based on this discussion. In this view, you can see all the notes in a single list, ordered by number of votes. There is also an additional list where you can add action items and check open action items from previous retrospective meetings. To add an action item, click the Add an Action Item link and start typing. When your team is done discussing and adding action items, you can click the Finish button to conclude the retrospective. Learn more on how Team O'Clock can optimize your team's collaboration by watching more tutorial videos and reading the documentation.